Ever wonder how online stores know exactly what you buy and how to make their ads so darn effective? Well, today we're diving into one crucial piece of that puzzle: tracking purchase events using Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics, improving your conversion analysis and helping you understand how users interact with your site after they have purchased something. First, make sure you have Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics set up, and both are connected to your website. Let's create a new tag. Click on Tags, then click New to start your new purchase event setup. We begin by configuring the tag. In the tag configuration, choose Custom HTML. This lets you add custom JavaScript to file the purchase event, as we are going to need it to send data about a certain purchase. Next, select Google Analytics GA for event that you will be using to associate the current event on the front end. Now, let's set our trigger. This will ensure your code runs at the correct time, meaning immediately after a purchase. Click on the triggering section, which will indicate when your event happens. Then in creating the trigger, select Custom Event. This will allow you to add a more precise indication where the event happens. Type in a specific event name, like purchase. This is what is called at the GA for part name the tag purchase event to easily identify it later. Remember, accurate data enhances your strategy, helping you identify popular products, optimize the checkout process, and ultimately, boost your sales. So, implement your purchase event, start tracking, and watch your e-commerce performance improve.